shift our focus to the latest coming in from the state of West Bengal. A major revelation has been made in the Murshidabad communal violence case, as a report submitted by a fact-finding committee appointed by the Calcutta High Court has brought the truth out in the open for everyone to see. The report delivers viewers a serious blow to the West Bengal government's narrative. It punctures the narrative of the West Bengal government completely, and directly implicating a Trinamool Congress MLA and a councillor in the violence that erupted last month. The committee's findings contradict Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's claim that she made earlier that violence was actually because of some outsiders. Remember, that was the point, the argument that was made by the Trinamool Congress, their netas and the government of West Bengal at that point in time. Now, according to this particular report, the violence which coincided with the passage of the Waqf Amendment Bill was deliberately targeted at members of the Hindu community, leading to widespread loss to life as well as property. The committee, comprising members from the National Human Rights Commission, the West Bengal State Legal Services Authority and the Judicial Services, conducted, in fact, field visits to the worst affected areas, including some Sairganj and many others. The panel has named now 2 Trinamool Congress leaders in its explosive report: Amirul Islam, a TMC MLA, and Mehboob Alam, a TMC councillor, as being involved in the violence that shook the district last month. In fact, viewers, the panel also highlights a complete breakdown of law enforcement, claiming that police were entirely inactive and absent from the violence-hit areas. The report describes the scenes of devastation as well. Several homes were severely damaged, and there were widespread, in fact, instances of loot and arson targeting commercial properties. Many of those belong to members of the Hindu community. Now, these are some of the findings. Several homes were severely damaged. Loot, arson of commercial property, it was something that they have also found. And if we look at a couple of other findings as far as this Murshidabad panel report is concerned, viewers, you will understand the kind of reports we had got from our reporters as well from the ground at that point in time revealed exactly this. And now it has been documented in this Murshidabad panel report that has been put out. In fact, first response has now come in from the TMC councillor indicted in Murshidabad riots case. Mehboob Alam has now pleaded innocence, calling the allegations nothing but a political conspiracy. Now, Alam claims the BJP and the RSS are working together to target the Trinamool Congress. Listen in.
हम लोग कहाँ था उस दिन? हम लोग जो 12 तारीख उस दिन मैंने मेरा वार्ड का एक गांव था, वहाँ का नाम है कदमतला में था। उस दिन अचानक देखा जो कुछ दुष्कृति जिसको कहते हैं, वो छोटा छोटा बच्चा, उसके हाथ में तलवार और कुछ सामान था। पुलिस को फोन किया, पुलिस के पास कोई रिस्पांस भी नहीं मिला। तो हम नादपड़ा से बेदबना कब गया, पॉलिटिक्स का शिकार होता है। हम लोग पॉलिटिक्स करता है, ये बीजेपी और आरएसएस का चक्रांत है।
The BJP, meanwhile, has blamed Mamata Banerjee for instigating and abetting the Murshidabad riots, citing a report by the Calcutta High Court appointed fact-finding committee. According to the BJP, local Trinamool Congress leaders, along with police and civil officials, turned a blind eye as Hindu homes were identified and attacked in the district, describing the violence as part of an orchestrated attempt. And the BJP has also accused Mamata Banerjee of sponsoring the violence as part of her vote bank politics. Listen in to these reactions we have got for you from the BJP.
A Calcutta High Court appointed fact-finding committee has completely exposed the TMC government, and it has shown how the Murshidabad riots that took place in the name of Waqf were not spontaneous but sponsored, not organic but organized, and it was state-sponsored, state-protected, targeted violence against Hindus, which was led by no less than a TMC leader, Mehboob Alam. How the police remained inactive, how Hindus were specifically targeted. But on the other hand, what do we see? That Mamata Banerjee and her government has defended the rioters. So one thing is clear, TMC means तुष्टिकरण मुझे चाहिए.
मुर्शिदाबाद पर भी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आई है जिसमें कहा गया है कि ममता सरकार दोषी थी मुर्शिदाबाद राइट्स के लिए।
नहीं, वो रिपोर्ट जो आई है, फैक्ट फाइंडिंग रिपोर्ट जो हाईकोर्ट की कमेटी की थी, उसमें साफ है कि महबूब आलम नाम का जो कॉरपोरेटर था वो इस सब साजिश में था। वहां पर वक्फ अमेंडमेंट एक्ट के बाद दंगा कराया गया, योजनाबद्ध तरीके से हिंदू के मन में डर पैदा किया गया, वहां के हिंदू को अपना घर अपना दरवाजा छोड़ने पर मजबूर किया गया। ये साफ दिखाता है, और उसमें पुलिस की भी शमूलियत थी। ये साफ दिखा रहा है कि टीएमसी वहां वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है। वो क्लींजिंग करना चाहती थी मुर्शिदाबाद में हिंदुओं का।
So you heard the reactions that we have got from the Bharatiya Janata Party. At that time as well, when Murshidabad violence took place, BJP had raised questions on why there wasn't enough presence of police officials on the ground, why specifically Hindus were targeted. Clearly, at that point in time, TMC Netas and the West Bengal government had said that it was the role of outsiders, and something that has now been exposed clearly, that has, as far as this particular report is concerned, that tells us that how there were perhaps people from within the district who were responsible for what really happened. We have a reaction now coming in from Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP as well. Let's listen in.
11 अप्रैल को मैं इसको एज इट इज रीड करना चाहता हूं. ऑल द अटैक्स वर कैरीड आउट ऑन द फ्राइडे 11th of April from 2 p.m. onwards under the instructions of local councillor Mehboob Alam, and police and administration done nothing. तो ममता जी, ये तो आपकी पार्टी के बहुत महबूब नजर आ रहे हैं, आपकी पार्टी के बड़े प्रिय नजर आ रहे हैं. ये बात अब फाइंडिंग्स में बिल्कुल साफ हो गई.
Let me now go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pragya, this is exactly what the BJP has been saying from day one when the violence took place in Murshidabad and other districts. And now the report also, in a way, confirming some key points that were made at that point in time, that how it was not spontaneous really, it was an orchestrated perhaps attack that took place that led to violence, and also how Hindu homes specifically were targeted.
Well, absolutely, and BJP is calling this report a damning indictment of Mamta government. And not just that, this particular committee comprises of, 2 legal services officers and 1 NHRC official. Have nothing to do with BJP as a political party. So this, in a way, is a neutral party-based report. And this was also, the committee was constituted by none other than Kolkata High Court also. So apart from these 2 facts, what BJP is also saying, that the report is saying that Mamta government and Mamta police did nothing at all when Hindus were selectively targeted on 7th of April, and in fact on 11th of April, the day they were targeted. And in fact, there are many witness accounts in this particular report where these Hindu victims are saying that they have been locked in the house, someone's house was attacked, someone's shop was attacked. In fact, BSF came to their rescue, and this is the reason why they have been asking for a BSF patrolling in their villages. They have lost trust in the local police. It means that there is a collusion of police and politicians of TMC at one level. This report is particularly targeting and also saying that this is elaborating on that front. In fact, BJP has gone to an extent to draw an analogy between Pahalgam attack and this Murshidabad attack, saying in Pahalgam also terrorists attacked Hindu specifically, and in Murshidabad also at behest of TMC politician, only Hindus and Hindus households and shops were attacked. So this is a big charge that is coming from BJP, but this is based on this particular report and finding. And it looks like that the BJP is going to take this to the people, at least to the Hindu population, saying that you are not safe. And given the fact there is also elections coming, but the fact is that many people had suffered at the hands of administration.
The most
is
important
what this
point, of course, being that the outside job claim that was made by the government at that point in time and the chief minister as well, that has been busted with this particular report. Pragya, requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, in response to the BJP's allegations, TMC leader Debanshu Bhattacharya has strongly rejected the claims, accusing the BJP of engaging in a conspiracy against the ruling Trinamool Congress. Speaking to Times Now, Bhattacharya alleged that the BJP is indulging in vote bank politics and trying to tarnish the image of the Trinamool Congress. He also raised questions about the BJP's claim of outsiders being involved in the Murshidabad riots. Listen in.
ये सबसे पहली तो बात है, हम पहले भी बोल रहे थे, अभी भी बोल रहे हैं, ये एक बड़ा कॉन्स्पिरेसी है। बीजेपी जहां पर जिस स्टेट में भी पावर में आना चाहता है, उससे पहले उसी स्टेट में बीजेपी दंगा फसाद करवाता है। ये यूपी के लिए भी सच है, ये बंगाल के लिए भी सच है। ये जहां जहां पर आना चाहता था, आने की कोशिश कर रहा है, सारे जगह पर यही काम बीजेपी करवाता आ रहा है। दूसरी बात है, हाँ, हिंदुओं के घर में हुआ है, मैसेकर हुआ है, जो आदमी मारे भी गए हैं, हम सबको वो पता है, इससे कोई इनकार नहीं कर रहा। लेकिन हम फिर से यही कर रहे हैं कि इसमें जो कनेक्शन है उसमें आउटसाइडर कनेक्शन जरूर है, और हम ये भी दावे के साथ कह सकते हैं कि इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा कॉन्स्पिरेसी है।
মুর্শিদাবাদের ঘটনা নিয়ে বিজেপি যে রাজনৈতিক অপপ্রচার করছে তা সম্পূর্ণ প্ররোচনামূলক এবং উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত। মুর্শিদাবাদের ঘটনা নিন্দার, মুর্শিদাবাদের ঘটনা কেউ সমর্থন করে না। মুর্শিদাবাদের ঘটনার পর মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এবং পুলিশ প্রশাসন সমস্ত দায়িত্ব পালন করেছে। ক্ষতিপূরণ থেকে শুরু করে যাদের মৃত্যু হয়েছে তাদের পরিবারকে ক্ষতিপূরণ থেকে শুরু করে যাদের ক্ষতি হয়েছে, যাদের দোকানের ক্ষতি হয়েছে, সমস্ত রকম কর্তব্য প্রশাসন পালন করেছে, সরকার পালন করেছে।
And even as we are continuously getting reactions after this Murshidabad panel report came out, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's claim that outsiders were behind the violence is now under serious scrutiny. Let's listen in to what Mamata Banerjee had said at that time.
আপনি বাংলাদেশের পরিস্থিতি জানেন না? বেঙ্গল ইজ দ্য বর্ডার অফ বাংলাদেশ, নেপাল, ভুটান, শ্রীলঙ্কা। আপনি ইউনুসের সাথে গোপন মিটিং করুন, চুক্তি করুন, দেশের ভালো হলে খুশি হব। কিন্তু আপনার প্ল্যানটা কি? আপনাদের প্ল্যানিংটা কি? কালকে আমি একটা এএনআই টুইট দেখলাম, হোম মিনিস্ট্রি সোর্সকে কোট করে বলেছে এইরকম করেই ওরা দেয়। তাকে আমি দোষ দিচ্ছি না, इसमें बांग्लादेश का हाथ है। अगर हाथ है तो इसको जमींदारी तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का है कि बीएसएफ बॉर्डर संभालते हैं।